meals with unclean, that is, unwashed hands. For the Pharisees and in part all Jews do not eat without carefully washing their hands, giving the tradition of the elders, and returning from the market places. They do not eat without purifying themselves, and there are many other things that they have traditionally observed. The purification of cups and gods and fiddles and beds. So the Pharisees and scribes questioned them, why do your disciples do not follow the tradition of the elders, but instead eat and eat with unclean hands? We responded, well, did I see a prophecy about you hypocrites, as it is written? These people honors me with their lips, but their hearts are far from me. In vain they do worship me. They change as doctrines human Christians. You disregard God's commandment, but cling to human tradition. He went on to say, how well you have set aside the commandment of God in order to uphold your tradition. For Moses said, honor your father and your mother, and whoever curses father or mother shall die. Yet you say, if someone says father or mother, henceforth you may come from me is important, meaning dedicated to God. You allow him to do nothing more for his father and mother. You nullify the word of God in favor of your tradition that you have handed on. And you do many such things. My dear